So here it is, Honda Talon dual battery. Just one way of the many to do it, because you're not nearly as easy as the Pioneer. But luckily there's places like CA Technologies that make a battery tray. So that's what I started with here, is Mighty Max battery. I'm running a true isolator. There's spots on the bottom for that. And circuit breaker, just like before. So I got my power that's already wired in from the Honda straight to my isolator, from isolator to the Mighty Max. That isn't a little bit different on this one. I'm not running the normal fuse panel, relays, and all that, so I actually got a box. It's like the Switch Pro, but it's the cheaper version. So I'm running to my circuit breaker, and then for my circuit breaker, I'm running two leads. One is to my winch, just one over the winch, and then the other is running to here. So this is just a hot terminal strip, and I have a neutral on this side. So my terminal strip, I have my power right here running to my relays and fuses, but it also gave me a place to tie in for my radio, my two-way radio that I want on, not by using a switch. It has its own switch on it. So same idea, I said using the switch in there. I'm not running a stinger this time. I found that last time I was only running my switch in aux mode. I was not running off the bat or off the keyed ignition. So now I'm running just a single switch, turn it on, and it turns on my accessories. I don't have many hooked up yet. A couple light bars. I do have a voltmeter. Fortunately, this will only come on when the main's turned on, and then it'll give me both my readings. So accessories this time do not run off of keyed on power. They'll just run off of my switch, which I think that is sufficient. So that's it. Not nearly as neat, but functional. I got ground bars, I got fuse panel relays, got my circuit breaker, battery, winch, there's a horn. It all works. Hope this helps.